This is Mark, and just want to let you know that I have updated your user accounts and passwords, as well as published each of you 2 different math courses. I publish a math first session and math third session, so you can use them with each of your courses. If you actually have a second session, let me know and I can switch one of those. Your usernames are your first name, last name, no space, no period in between them. And your password is lowercase KCTC 2014. I'm going to sign as a master teacher, and that should help give you some examples of what you'll be seeing. So first thing you should notice when you sign in is your dashboard page. And in your dashboard page, it will tell you that you've been assigned 2 courses. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see those 2 courses. And I'm going to come right down to KCTC Math. I'm going to open that up. And as a teacher, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see the teacher's course page, which looks very similar to the student course page. And the students will also have the next unit, previous unit, and a drop-down menu to take a good look at. Some of you have, or each of you have been assigned a different test for the student to take, so you'll have to make sure you direct the student to that test. And most of the tests are made, but I noticed that a few still are not updated quite yet. So I think inventory management was one that nothing's appearing, so if you do this and nothing appears, those tests have not been loaded into the system yet. Converting units, measurement are there. So you could click View Pretest as a teacher. You won't see a whole lot yet. That's an add-on that we are working on right now. You will see that there's a number of questions and you can expand them. However, what we have done so that you could see the types of questions and answers is we've created PDFs for every test that's created, and we put them in different Google Doc folders, which I will be sharing with you here in the next day or 2. So I'm back to the course page, and one thing I do want to point out, and Craig and I will help you with this again, is this enrollment key. This is how students enroll into your course, and to create an enrollment key, just simply select Generate New Enrollment Key. You select a date that you want it to be good till. Oops, did something crazy there. And I'm going to say May 29th and Generate Now. This is the code you give to the students to enroll into your course. You'll give a different code for your first math course as well as your third math course. That way your students are separated and it helps with collecting the data. I'm going to log out as a teacher right now because that was just kind of what you needed to maybe get started, and show you from a student view what they'll be doing when they self-enroll. So we're going to sign as a student, and most of your students, I would say probably 80 to 90%, will be able to simply click and log in with Google. They do have to be signed in to their techcenter.org Google account for this to work. But by doing this, they don't have to do a username and password. If they can't sign in, and typically the students have hyphenated names, then we'll provide another username password for. So you'll notice here that we're using the student email for the username, and we're using passwords here. So we'll provide this sheet for you, so you have this in case the student cannot sign in with the orange Google button. So I'm going to sign in with one of our test students here, and when a test student signs in, they're going to scroll down and you're going to ask them to simply click Enroll in a Course. You'll provide the enrollment key for them, and they just simply click that and click OK, and they are now enrolled in KCTC Math. So that's it. It's pretty simple. Craig and I will obviously be there to help you along, or at least prepare you to make sure that everything goes smoothly.